Hello everyone. In this video, I will walk you through the full process of connecting Twilio to GoHighlevel. First, open your browser and log in to your Twilio console. Once you are logged in, look at the left menu and go to Account, then click on API Keys and Tokens. On this page, you will see your account SID and your auth token. Copy these details and keep them somewhere safe, because you will need them shortly. Now open a new tab and log in to your GoHighlevel account. The next steps depend on where you want to connect Twilio. If you want Twilio connected for all sub-accounts, go to Agency Settings, then Phone Integration. Choose Twilio instead of LED Connector. Paste your Twilio account SID and auth token into the fields and save your changes. Next, you need to set up webhooks inside Twilio so GoHighlevel can receive incoming calls and messages. Go back to the Twilio console and open your phone number settings. For the voice webhook, paste the GoHighlevel inbound voice URL. For messaging, paste the incoming message URL. For call status, paste the incoming call status URL. Save each setting. To finish, send a test SMS or make a test call to confirm everything works as expected. Thanks for watching.